Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Lab, and today in this video I will solve this spinner puzzle. So this is our sliding beans spinner puzzle and we can solve this puzzle very easily. So in this puzzle we have total 6 color: purple, green, blue, and its opposite side we have orange, red and yellow. So in every side we have this kind of slide. So we can replace our these small pieces by using this slide. So we can scramble our cube by using this slide, and also we will solve this puzzle by using this slide. So in every side we have this rotating slide. So now I will scramble this puzzle and then I will solve. So I have scrambled this puzzle. Now I will start to solve this puzzle. So we will select any one side. For example, in this side we have yellow and purple pieces. So we will collect all purple in this position and all yellow we will collect in this side. So I can select any one color. If I select purple, so we will place one purple in this position and second purple we will place in this side, and then we will rotate this slide. So we have connected two purple piece. Again we will rotate in this side and we will find any other purple. So there are two purple, they are matching properly, so we can replace these two. So first we will place in this side and then rotate. So we have collected four purple. Again we will place in this position and we will place any one purple in this side and rotate like that. Okay, so now we have collected five purple. Now we will apply another trick. So this is our single purple. We will place in this position and also we will place any other purple in this side and then rotate like that. So we have collected three purple, and now we will place purple in this position and rotate in this side. So we have left with last purple. Again we will place this half portion in this side and remaining purple we will place in this position. So we have placed three purple in this side and this last purple we will place in this position and then rotate this slide. So we can see we have collected four purple in this side and four in this side. Just we will rotate like that and we can see we have collected all purple and yellow in this position. So this is done. Now if I try from this position, so we can select red. So place two red in this position and place any red in this side and bring it up. Again we will rotate like that, and again we will place these two red in this position and bring it up. So this half portion we have completed. So this is our extra piece. Now we will collect all remaining four red in opposite side. So this is extra red. We will place another red in this position and rotate. So we have collected two red and again rotate like that. So this is done. Now we will rotate this side and we will place our half portion in this side. So we will save this portion, and there are three red, place in this position, and from this side we will place our red in this side, and if I rotate like that, so we can see there are four red and there is remaining four. Just rotate like that. So this is also done. Now we will solve this side. So we will select any one color. I will select blue. So place blue and place second blue in this position and rotate. This is done. Again rotate in this side. So there are two blue, rotate like that. So half portion we have completed. Now we will fix our another blue piece. So this is blue, we will fix in this side, and now again we will connect this blue, we can connect with this, and also we can connect blue with this. So we have connected on this position, and now we will bring these three blue in this side, and now we will save our piece like that. So we will save half portion, and remaining three we will place in this position, and from this side we will place last piece and match with this, and again we will bring it back. So we can see we have solved our puzzle. So this is very simple and very interesting. So this is our spinner puzzle, this is our sliding puzzle, this is our rolling puzzle. So we can solve all these puzzles by using different kind of technique.